So when it comes to the design consistency of something that is wood, you can have a variation. Tell me about what you liked about this, as far as, did that even come into your thought when you were purchasing?
As a very young married woman, no. However, I also do appreciate something looking good and not looking just thrown together.
Okay.
I mean, I can throw something together and make it look good. But anyway, because it's wood, you see, little...
the little notches there.
knots and everything.
Come over here on this side.
But even as it comes together, because it's the same wood, it looks good. I've seen other butcher blocks and other things where the planks themselves, as they press together, they have different colors, and it looks good that way. So if it might be cost effective and nicer because you can have different variations, but it looks good together. That makes sense.
And it's and I'll get a closer look at this, but it's staggered, but it's not staggered in a rhythm. It it's not like it's consistent, like 3 inches apart every time. So it is pushed together this way, as well as longitude and latitude, whatever way you want to look at it. But I have seen such variation with the dark wood and the light wood. There's just so many variations that you can do. So if you are interested in making your own butcher block countertop, that may be something with your design consistency. You could make it a little bit more creative, and we'll talk about that with customization. But for this, there is no consistency. I mean, it's wood and you can see all of it, but it really is pretty. So I like what you have here. This is a really great solution for just needing extra countertop. I really like this.